Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Scientists harness bile-converting bacteria to heal damaged colons. The human gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play vital roles in digestion, immunity, and overall health. When this microbial balance is disturbed, it can contribute to the development of chronic diseases like ulcerative colitis, UC, an inflammatory condition of the large intestine. For some patients, current treatments offer limited relief or carry significant risks, including immune suppression. Researchers are now exploring alternative ways to restore gut health, focusing on the microbiome's ability to heal the intestinal lining. The research teams led by Christina Skounjans and Rizlan Bernialatmani at EPFL have identified Clostridium scindens, a bacterium that converts primary bile acids into 7-alpha-dehydroxylated bile acids, as a key player in gut healing. Revolutionary polio vaccine offers safer, more accessible immunization for a polio-free future. Researchers have taken a major step towards producing a more affordable and lower-risk polio vaccine using virus-like particles, VLPs. These particles mimic the outer protein shell of poliovirus but are empty inside. This means there is no risk of infection, but the VLP still causes the immune system to respond. In a paper published in Nature Communications, the findings show that VLPs produced in both yeast and insect cells can perform equally or better than the current inactivated polio vaccine, IPV, which creates an immune system response by using a killed version of the poliovirus. Professor Stonehouse, the senior author of the research, said, "Childhood abuse leaves doubling risk of health and mental health issues in adulthood, finds study." A new study published this week in Child Maltreatment found that in comparison to those who had not been abused in childhood, adults who had experienced both childhood physical and sexual abuse had approximately double the odds of physical and mental health conditions, including angina, arthritis, asthma, COPD, heart attack, depression, and disability, even after considering respondents' age, race, income, and health behaviors, as well as obesity. Those who had been sexually abused but not physically abused were 55% to 90% more likely to experience these health outcomes compared to their peers who had not experienced any abuse.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.